Let's say that you have just acquired your new product from Mike the Visual Arts site, and you would like to install it into Daz Studio. How could you do this? It's very easy. As you can see over here, I have opened the content library, and I have made a new base folder, the Daz test folder, which is completely empty. Over here I've got my downloaded product, and I would like to install it to Daz Studio. What I have to do, first of all, I have to open this base directory, and it is very easy to be done. Right-clicking on an empty space over here in the gray area, and choosing browse folder location. Now we've got the base directory over here, the content directory, and I've got my downloaded file into another window over here. I double-click on this zip file to open it, and I'm going into the content folder, and I'm very interested about all these directories. All I have to do is just copy these directories into an empty space over here. It is very easy to be done just by drag and drop them over here. So all these files will be copied and unzipped to the new directory. It may take some seconds over here. And here we are. Now, before closing all these windows, I can navigate into the runtime folder, into the support directory, and drag this DSA folder, DSA file into my open Daz Studio. Doing this, I don't have an empty space here, so I've got moved it a little bit lower. And now I can drag this file into Daz Studio. Doing this, I will update the database, or at least this script tries to update the database with the new entries. Let's see now what we've got into Daz Studio. Into this folder, I've got to right-click and refresh it. So now I've got this little triangle to the left saying that there are some folders. Let's go to the prop folder, and here we are. We've got our products. Now, if I'm going to choose this lollipop, and I'm going to open the array preview, I can go into the smart library, the smart content, and as you can see, I've got here all the materials for this item.